This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
E Flo eye drops are designed to manage various eye conditions effectively. These drops contain fluorometholone, which is a corticosteroid. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for managing eye inflammation resulting from injuries, swelling, itching, redness, irritation, ocular trauma, conjunctivitis, and symptoms following surgery. It is beneficial for alleviating discomfort and improving visual function. How it works. The drops work by inhibiting the release of prostaglandins, which are responsible for causing pain and inflammation in the eye. Directions for use. Use the eye drops as prescribed by your healthcare provider. Shake the bottle well before each use. To apply, tilt your head back, gently pull down your lower eyelid to create a pocket, and squeeze the dropper to release one drop into the eye. Close your eye for about 30 seconds after application. The dosage and duration will be determined by your doctor based on your age and the severity of your condition. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include increased pressure inside the eye, mild stinging or burning sensations, temporary blurred vision, and eye irritation. If any symptoms worsen, consult your physician. Precautions and warnings. Patients should inform their doctor if they have a history of eye infections, herpes simplex, or if they are pregnant or breastfeeding. Caution should be exercised when using in elderly patients and those with contact lenses. FAQs. 1. What conditions can be treated? E Flo helps manage inflammation and irritation in the eye. 2. Is it safe for children? It is not recommended for children under 2 years of age. 3. Can I use it while breastfeeding? It is not advised for breastfeeding women due to safety concerns. 4. How long should I use it? Follow your doctor's advice regarding the duration of use. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your engagement.